Thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Rochelle Murcia.
And I'm Dave Gonzalez. Isabella Lake is already packed for the holiday weekend, but there's a danger in the water up there, making pet owners think twice about letting their animals loose.
Eyewitness News reporter Raina Harvey is there live at the lake to explain how Independence Day celebrations can take a toxic turn. Raina?
Well, take a look at this toxic algae here in the lake. A lot of it you can see has washed up on the shore. That can be dangerous if your pets ingest it and make you at home sick. So health officials want to make sure you stay out of the lake. Just stay safe. As the holiday weekend approaches, a warning is in place.
Don't swim in it, don't boat in it, don't fish in it, and keep your animals out of the water.
Health officials from the state have tested water samples and found dangerous levels of toxins produced by algae in 2 local waterways in Lake Isabella.
We're telling people to avoid direct contact with the water in those 2 coves.
Paradise Cove and Kisset Cove contain dangerous levels of this algae. The French Gulch is also at a cautionary level.
We want to make sure people and animals stay out until the bloom subsides.
Matt Constantine with the health department says exposure in humans can cause rashes, respiratory, and gastrointestinal problems and can be deadly for pets.
Animals' exposure can be greater because they may ingest the water or they may lick their fur afterwards. And we have had reports throughout the state of domestic animals, dogs in particular, dying from exposure to this toxin.
Experts say this blue-green algae is directly linked to warming temperatures, stagnant water, and an increased level of nutrients for the algae to grow in. The health department has already started to put up warning signs.
If you've been exposed to that algae and you're experiencing those symptoms, we want you to seek care.
Kern County's 1st District Supervisor Mike Gleason says although it is a concern, he does not want this to stop people from enjoying the holiday weekend.
We're taking a common sense approach to alerting people to be on their game and to avoid those areas and to enjoy themselves and have a great weekend.
Now, speaking of enjoying that holiday weekend, just spoke to a group right here who said that's exactly what they're going to be doing. And if they feel ill, they said they'll just go to the doctor. I counted about 8 warning signs out here, letting people know that it's not safe to be out in the water. And again, Kern County will be making sure that you stay updated with what's going on with the algae condition right here in the lake. We'll keep that information on our website at bakersfieldnow.com. For now, reporting in Lake Isabella, Raina Harvey, Eyewitness News.
All right, Raina, thanks for that.